Hello my cookie friends, welcome to Fawaii, and today we're gonna decorate these beautiful cookies for St. Valentine's Day, so let's start. We're going to start by drawing the lips with an edible marker. Cookie recipe, icing recipe, products and tools used for these videos are listed in the description box down below. Now that we already have the lips drawn, we're gonna use a royal icing in a honey consistency to outline these beautiful lips and let it dry for around 15 minutes. In reality, let it cross for 15 minutes. Now we will proceed to float the selecting part. We will use the same icing we will use for outline our lips. With the Scribe Tool, we will shape the lip and distribute the icing on the cookie. Push the icing around and fill all the gaps. We are gonna use the wet and wet technique and add some white royal icing to the lip so can give the effect to light on the lips. Next, let the cookie cross for a few minutes. Following, we repeat the process in the other part of the cookie, but this time we're not gonna add the white icing. When you finish icing the cookie, let it dry completely at least for 6 hours and you're done. Look how beautiful looks your cookie. Repeat the same steps with another color that you want to use for your Valentine's cookies. Hope this tutorial will help you all. Happy Valentine's Day. Kissy kissy. Mwah.